In this video, I'm going to show you how to integrate Webflow forms with Hubspot. So you can do this by using any integration platform. So for example, like Zapier, in this video, I will use Zapier. You can use other alternate similar platforms as well. So what you can do, firstly, create the Webflow form which you want to use. So once you have it, so go to Zapier and log into your Zapier account and go to a Zap. So we can simply create a Zap, which is an automated workflow. So click on it and then we will create an automation through this platform here. So now when you create a Zap, you'll get to the screen here. So now what we're going to do, we're going to select the trigger, the first one. So click on it. So click on it, and then from here you can choose Webflow. So select Webflow. You can search for it and select Webflow. Okay, and then select Webflow, and then the trigger event you can choose as form submission. Okay, so you can select this form submission. Okay, and then your account, you can log in, you can click sign in with your Webflow account and click and then sign in with it. And then for the second one here, second one option here, so click on action. So click on the action. So for the action, search for Hubspot, select Hubspot. Okay, once I've selected Hubspot, for the event, choose the event what you want to do with the Hubspot. So for example, like create a contact, something like that, create it, and then again same thing, sign in with your Hubspot account. So plug in the details, hit on sign in. Once you're done with that, you can now like continue with the configurations where you can configure your what you want to do exactly with it, and all your event names and all those things, and then complete the configuration. So this is how you can integrate both these platforms here, and I hope this video was helpful.